Hi guys, let's see how to open a website with a keyboard shortcut. Let's say you want to open Facebook with a keyboard shortcut. So just open Facebook on any browser of your choice and minimize the browser. And now just to the left of the icon, just click on it and hold the mouse left key and drag it to your desktop. Now right click and click on properties, and now in the shortcut key just choose your shortcut, any shortcut. Basically if it would be better if it is a 3 keyboard shortcuts. Click on apply and click on OK. Now when I will enter the keyboard shortcut, the Facebook will open up. Similarly, you can create keyboard shortcut for any website.